If you're tired of slow charging cables that can't keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Samsung fast-charging USB-C cable offers a solution you'll appreciate. Designed to deliver high-speed charging and data transfer, this cable supports 3A fast charging for compatible devices, making it 25% faster than standard Type-C chargers. That means less waiting and more time using your phone or tablet. What sets this cable apart is its impressive durability. Wrapped in a premium braided nylon jacket, it's built to withstand over 10,000 bends. Whether you toss it in your bag, use it daily at work, or rely on it in your car, this cable holds up without fraying or breaking. It's a smart investment for anyone who values reliability in their charging accessories. The cable's 6-foot length adds another layer of convenience. You're free to charge your device comfortably from your sofa, office desk, or even the backseat of your car. No more awkwardly stretching or sitting right next to the outlet. Plus, the reversible USB-C design means you can plug it in without fumbling, saving you time and frustration. This fast charger cable is compatible with a wide range of Samsung devices, including the Galaxy S22 series, S21, S20, Note 20 Ultra, Z Flip, and Z Fold models. But it doesn't stop there. It also works seamlessly with Google Pixel phones, LG Stylo and Velvet models, and Moto G Stylus 5G devices. If your phone supports USB-C, this cable is likely a perfect match. Beyond just charging, this cable supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. That's a reliable pace for syncing photos, videos, and files between your device and computer. Whether you're backing up your memories or moving work documents, this cable keeps things moving smoothly without interruptions. What you get in the package is straightforward and practical. 2 6-foot USB Type-C cables, one in blue and the other in purple. This variety makes it easy to designate one cable for your home and another for travel or the office. It's a simple way to stay organized and always have a fast charger ready to go. Customer feedback highlights the cable's versatility and quality. Users love that it charges multiple devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed. One reviewer mentioned how perfect it is for charging both a Moto phone and a Samsung tablet at the same time, thanks to its length and dependable performance. If you've struggled with cables that wear out quickly or don't charge fast enough, this Samsung charger cable is worth a look. Its braided nylon design, fast charging capability, and broad compatibility address common pain points with charging accessories. It's built to last and designed to keep up with your devices. The cable's reversible USB-C connector makes it incredibly user-friendly. No more guessing which side goes up or risking damage by forcing the plug the wrong way. This thoughtful design detail saves time and reduces wear on both your cable and device port. The 3A fast charging support is especially important for Samsung users who want to maximize their device's battery life quickly. Whether you have a Galaxy S22 Ultra or an A53 5G, this cable delivers the power your phone needs to recharge efficiently. It's a subtle but meaningful upgrade from generic cables that can't keep pace. Data transfer speed matters when you're moving large files or syncing multiple photos. This cable's 480 megabits per second transfer rate ensures your content moves swiftly between devices, so you're not left waiting. That's a real benefit for anyone who relies on quick backups or frequent file sharing. The 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer service add peace of mind. If anything goes wrong, you have support ready to help. This commitment shows confidence in the cable's quality and durability, which is always reassuring when investing in tech accessories. The cable's length and flexibility make it ideal for everyday use in various settings. Whether you're at your desk, lounging on the couch, or driving, You'll find it easy to connect your device without feeling tethered to a wall outlet. It's a small convenience that makes a big difference. Durability is a key factor here. The braided nylon jacket isn't just about looks. It protects the cable from fraying and breaking, which are common issues with cheaper cords. This means fewer replacements and less hassle over time, saving you money and frustration. If you're juggling multiple devices, having 2 cables in the package is a practical bonus. You can keep one cable in your bag and another at your desk or car, so you're always prepared. The color options also help avoid confusion when charging different gadgets. Compatibility with a wide range of devices makes this cable a versatile choice. Even if you switch phones or tablets in the future, this cable will likely remain useful. That flexibility adds value and reduces the need to buy new cables frequently. The cable's fast charging and syncing capabilities mean it's not just a power cord, it's a tool that keeps your devices ready for whatever your day demands. That reliability can improve your overall tech experience, whether for work, entertainment, or staying connected. If that's you, someone who values speed, durability, and convenience in charging, this Samsung fast-charging USB-C cable is a smart pick. It balances quality and performance without unnecessary extras, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup. With its solid build, broad compatibility, and fast charging power, it's designed to keep your devices powered and synced efficiently. That kind of reliability is hard to beat in a charging cable.